Going to start this video off with a bang. For this video, we are making arroz con pollo. Let's get started. You're gonna need 1 cup of peas and carrots, 1 tablespoon of garlic, ½ teaspoon of cumin, 2 ties of culantro, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 3 cups chicken broth or water, half of a red pepper cut into cubes, medium onion cubed as well, adobo, I used the beer I had around but dark beer is best, salt, fistful of spinach, and 8 to 10 pieces of chicken. Make sure to wash your veggies and prep before we get started. So this is the culantro recipe for the sazon of the rice. You put the culantro and spinach in the blender with a bit of water and blend it all up. Salt the chicken with salt, pepper, and cumin to taste on one side and adobo on the other side. Fry the chicken until golden brown on low heat for about 7 minutes. After the chicken is golden brown on both sides, take it out and with the same oil, fry the onions until translucent. Then add the garlic, then the ají amarillo. After about 2 minutes, add the culantro sauce. Add ½ a tablespoon of cumin and salt and pepper to taste. Make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot and then add your chicken. Add 1 cup of beer and wait about 5 minutes for it to evaporate. If it needs some seasoning, go ahead and add it. Add your 3 cups of liquid, stir the pot from the bottom to make sure nothing is sticking, and then cover the lid and wait 45 minutes for the chicken to be fully cooked. While that's going on, you can start on your salsa criolla. Cut them in thin julienne slices, and you can also put them in ice water for a few minutes to reduce the bitterness. You can add your lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and also minced cilantro. And voila! There you go. After 45 minutes, take out the chicken, add the veggies, make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. Add your rice and your liquid 2 centimeters above the rice. After the liquid is almost evaporated, put the lid on and cook on low for about 15 minutes. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the like button for more Peruvian recipes.